We have a little over 36 acres in Mounty Holly Springs, Pennsylvania. Growing up, my childhood best friend's grandfather lived here in town, and we would come to visit him, and when we came to visit, we often would fish the creek, and we would play in these woods. And then as an adult, when I got married and the property came up for sale, my husband and I bought it. Our goal was to possibly build on the property at some point, but also to keep the property as a recreational area and allow nature to continue restoration. When we started thinking about building a home, we were surprised to find that commercial banks don't like to lend to large properties. We started asking around our friends and family that have large properties, saying, how did you get your mortgage? And friends had just used Ag Choice, said they loved them, so we contacted a loan officer. He came out, sat at our kitchen counter, and instantly there was a connection and a bond. And building a home can be, things happen that you don't know are going to happen until they happen. And throughout the process, we were able to reach out and talk to him, which is a much different relationship, I think, than you often experience today. And he was always there for us, always very quick to respond and always very personal. We never felt that we were just a number. I mean, a family is a kind of a cliche word to use, but we really felt like we were part of a family.